Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So, we are playing Super Mario Maker yet again. And I've done something really funny. I have put these little bricks here, right, and I've put these turtles right there. And I'm going to show you why I've done that. This is really funny. I think it's funny anyway. Let's see how well I can do this. And then we'll get back to creating. Alright, there's one. There's two. There's three. There's four. And there's five. I don't know why, but I find that's really, really funny. That's hilarious. Alright, enough. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put something I've never created before. That's the beauty of Super Mario Maker, is you can create whatever you want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some more of these blocks. Alright, so I'm going to get some of these blocks, put them here. Let's see how well I can do this. And then what I want to do is come up here again, grab one of these and place it here. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is grab some more of these. Okay. And I want to grab another one of these pipes and put it here. Now you, Mario, I have to bring you up here. So like I said, everyone, I'm going to grab now one of these. And we are going to try something. Alright, now what I want to do is I want to get another one of these turtles and just put it here, see what I can do. Oh my god, it actually works. Look at that. That's an easy way to get a life. Just let it go. Look at this. See, again, everyone, Super Mario Maker, you can use your imagination. That's amazing. Look at this. Alright, while that's cooking away, let's see. What else can I put here? Let's put some blocks. And then what I want to do, guys, is put some coins. Like I always say to you, this game, it's up to your imagination what you can do. Alright, now let's get some coins. Ready? Okay, now what I would like to do, I want to make like maybe a little tunnel. But to be honest with you, not really sure how to do that. So I want to go back to this. This is so fun. Let's go. Ready? I've got an even better idea. Alright, watch this. Oh! Okay, let's go again. I really don't know what else to create here. Might create some more of these. Alright, I'm going to grab another turtle. Put him here. There's something I really want to try. It used to work. And what it was, you could step on the turtle. Okay, that didn't work. You could step on the turtle and you can get lives from doing it. Oh my god, I just did it. Hold on. No. Oh, forget it. It doesn't work. Usually I can step on the turtles and they'll just give me lives. But that did not work. I'm going to add some of these in. God, these things are ugly. Now I know what you're probably thinking, it's overkill, but not. But wait and watch what I do here. Oh, that's fun. Let's go back and do that. Let's see if I can jump on all of them. Oh no, I missed one of them. That's cool. Jump. Like I said, guys, Super Mario Maker is so fun. Oh no, got caught. I've got a lot more to create, but I'll do that another day, guys. So I just wanted to show you a little bit of a stuff around with the course that I'm working on. Alright everybody, well if you liked the video, you know what to do. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye everybody.